Meow. What's going on, everybody? We're back with a new episode of IoT Nuggets. And how exciting is that, Steve?
You know what? So far, no one's ever said they were sick of your intro, okay? Just so you know.
And they never will get sick of it because how great are my intros?
That's it. Thousands and tens of thousands of people have never gotten sick of it.
It's worldwide. We're going international.
Worldwide, exactly.
The buzz is palpable. And we are back with a new episode of IoT Nuggets. This time we're on location. So I'm at my normal spot at M10 Social here in Michigan. But Steve is on the floor at Channel Partners Expo in Las Vegas with a new guest from Alef. wearealef.com is the website, as in we are Alef. We are.
Wow, that's taking your marketing genius another level.
I'm good. And so Shawn Sweeney is joining us today. He's the strategy and product leader of Alef, and their core competencies are private mobile networks and edge compute infrastructure. So we're going to talk a little bit about that. I'm going to pass it on to you, gentlemen, and let's roll.
Awesome. Thanks, Doug. Appreciate it. All right. Well, good afternoon, sir.
It's great to be here with you.
Thank you so much. Well, we are happy to have you as a new client at IoT Group.
We're thrilled to have you.
We spent the last week together doing all kinds of crazy stuff in New York City, learning about your company and about the products and stuff. IoT Group does these IoT Nuggets. We've had tens of thousands of followers on YouTube and all over the place. Basically, what we want to get from you, Shawn, is who is Alef?
Yep.
What do you sell? What's your product offering? What's your strategy to go to market?
Yep.
Why are we here at the Channel Partner Expo?
Yep.
And just, kind of just talk amongst ourselves about what you got going. So give us a
Sure.
little elevator pitch.
Well, first, we're a completely indirect company. So we sell through channel partners like those that are here today. Indeed, there's a lot of enthusiasm for both what we're doing and the market that's emerging in both private networking and also in edge compute. The product essentially allows enterprises to build an edge compute infrastructure inside their firewall, inside their network perimeter, through the use of API calls. And we offer that as a service, which means that enterprises don't have to get involved in all the cost and complexity of building out a huge infrastructure like a carrier would in order to satisfy this requirement. And increasingly, we see more and more enterprises who are looking to bring mobile devices inside that firewall for a variety of different reasons. One, because they've been held on the outside for so long. And the other is to set themselves up for an IoT future where increasingly there'll be certain workloads that are deployed to a network edge as they would within our service or within our edge point. And so indeed, when we talk to the channel partners today, they're all saying the same thing, which is, wow, that's a really exciting offering. I have customers that are interested in just that idea. That is an emerging problem. And so I think we're in the right place, and I think we're the right folks. So.
Yes, awesome. I like that. One of the biggest things that I'm seeing out in the industry today when it comes to CBRS, 5G CBRS, is what is it?
Yep.
Just trying to understand a little bit more about what its functionality is. When would you use that? Why would you use it? Can you give us a quick 1-minute tutorial on CBRS and Edge and why?
Sure. Yeah. I think increasingly there's more and more applications that require true mobility. If you look at what's available inside the enterprise today, it's really a Wi-Fi approach. And I have a fair amount of Wi-Fi deployment experience. And what I'd say about Wi-Fi is, it's a great technology, but it's not a mission critical technology. And also it provides portability, not true mobility. So we have customers and prospects that are interested in, moving machines around factory floors, and some of the vagaries of Wi-Fi, some of the interference aspects, some of the channel overload things that can happen, some of the coverage issues are not necessarily sufficient for those kind of mission critical applications where if there's downtime, the money faucet is on. And so I think That's the big reason I think you'll see these moves to some of the radio technologies that you mentioned. But I would also say, we like to refer to ourselves as NEG. Again, we're a software API layer that sits between the hardware and the infrastructure. And what we allow the enterprise customer to do is to deploy, let's say, CBRS radios today, and then tomorrow 5G built into the same infrastructure as though it were seamless, because we don't care. We abstract that from, again, the upper layers, and we enable that connectivity both on the premise, but then also to edge compute resources, which become important to, IoT applications. Increasingly, there's a lot of workloads that are being moved to the edge that are, ML, AI-based workloads, and being able to run them at the edge tightens up the decisioning that they can make, and then also leads to better decisioning in a faster time. And so, as we look out into the future, there's more and more application for what we're doing, not just on the connectivity side, but also on the edge infrastructure side. And I think customers recognize this is a path that they need to travel. But again, we like to think of ourselves as any G, any EPC, any cloud,
Any access point?
We're really completely agnostic from the pieces that we tie into that infrastructure on behalf of the enterprise. And I think that's what enterprises are looking for, is the ability to pick and choose which vendors they use. Obviously, we have partners that we can suggest, but they oftentimes have their own proclivities for certain brands, and we want to respect it.
Well, I can tell you that we are very, very happy and thrilled to be a part of the team. John and I have had long relationships with several of you.
Yes.
at the company. When we have that kind of knowledge base of you, we understand what you're trying to accomplish. And the one great thing about what John and I saw, and the reason why we were so excited to be here, is the use cases for your application, for your offering, your network as a service is incredible. I mean, between voice only, data, tablets, phones, devices, IoT devices, all there. So for BH IoT Group and some of the things that we do, and the infrastructure and the people that we work with around the world, this is a great product to add to their line card.
Yep.
And that was proven today. Everybody out there in BH IoT land, that we have great relationships within the world of IoT as well as wireless and mobility. First day of the show, we've had 3 unbelievable meetings already. Every one of them want to get involved. Everybody wants this thing. It fits their product offering very, very well. The pricing, the model of making money is there. So we are thrilled that we can have the opportunity to help you guys grow quickly.
Yep.
A lot of pressure on us to do that, but we like that. And so for our standpoint, we're really thrilled. So any last comments you want to make? Did I miss anything?
No, we think mobile network as a service, as time has come, and so we're excited to be involved with BH IoT, as you so eloquently put it. And I think that the time is now, really, and I think this is the exact solution many customers and many manufacturers are looking for, and so we think we're in the right place at the right time.
Excellent. All right, Shawn, thank you so much for your time, being a part of the IoT Nuggets, and we're going to go from there. So, Doug, on location, I got to believe it's a little noisy in the background, but it's not the first time we've done this. So
I know. And you know what? We made it work. And we talked a little bit about this split screen, but you two are together on the same screen. So, sometimes you got to improvise a little bit, and I think we pulled it off.
Listen, as many episodes as we have done of this around the world, people should be pretty used to the way we do things.
That's right. The bar has been established. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
It's so low. We need the guys like Shawn to come on here and bring us back up.
Absolutely. Well, Shawn definitely raised the proceedings.
Yeah, raised me up. Thank God.
Absolutely. Shawn brought it up to a respectable level.
Yeah.
With his knowledge and everything that Alef is doing.
Thank God everybody thinks their respect is at their own particular level. You know where mine is.
That's right. But I thought Shawn did a great job, and I thought it was kind of cool for them to be able to say that they're NEG. I thought that was kind
Yeah,
of
I
cool
know.
because
Yeah, we heard that quite a bit last week when in our launch meetings, and we definitely gravitated to that. I love that idea. That's a great way of putting it.
yeah, that way you're not restricted to any specific network.
But as Shawn and I have talked, 6G comes, we're gone. We're retired and out of here.
Well, there you go. And then you'll be the OGs.
That's yeah, baby. Yeah, I've been called worse, but yes, the OG would be cool.
There you go. So thank you everybody for tuning in on this on-location edition of IoT Nuggets. Remember, bhiotgroup.com is the website. There it is, right there above Steve's head. And you can visit that to get in touch with BHIoT Group, talk about your IoT deployment and solutions.
And we are Alef.com.
And we are Alef.com. Exactly. That's Shawn's website for private mobile networks. You can reach out to them there. Hook up with us on LinkedIn.
You can call John or I, and we'll get you in touch. We'll take care of it for you.
There you go. So bhiotgroup.com. Connect with us on LinkedIn. You can see all the episodes of IoT Nuggets on the YouTube channel as well.
Yep.
And if you want to come on the show and are a subject matter expert and have a company that is doing things in the IoT space and you want to share your expertise, we'd love to have you on the show.
Yeah.
And thank you once again for tuning in. Steve, good talking to you as usual.
You got it, Doug.
Shawn, great to meet you.
There you go. Say hi, bye.
All right, on location, man. You gotta love this.
Take care, everybody.
All right, see you guys.